Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva to design brand kits, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.canva.com. Hit the enter key to load the Canva homepage. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will see several options to log in, such as email, Google, or Facebook. Choose your preferred login method. If you select email, enter your registered email address. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Click the login button to proceed. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Canva dashboard. From the dashboard, find the Brand Kit option on the left sidebar. Click on Brand Kit to access its features. You now have access to create and manage your brand materials. To add a new brand kit, click the Create Brand Kit button. Fill in the necessary details for your brand kit, including colors and fonts. Upload your brand logo by clicking the Upload section. After filling everything out, hit Save to finalize your brand kit. Your brand kit is now set up and ready for use in your designs. You can access it anytime from the Brand Kit section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.